Hey guys, thank you for coming back. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. All right. This week's episode, am I the asshole for blowing up on my husband for peeing on my plants? Your husband is nasty. No, I'm gonna say right now, you're not the asshole. All right, listen. Let's get this started. I, 32 female, started getting into gardening 9 months ago. I'd planted some of my personal favorite plants in the backyard, and they'd been taking time and effort to grow. I love taking care of them, and it's become part of my routine. My husband doesn't like it, and has made some comments about me wasting time on those plants instead of working. I already have an office job. Or taking care of the house. I do 90% of the chores. Yeah, your husband seems like the asshole before we even get this started. I didn't pay much attention to him because I too nag him about spending too much time playing video games. At least gardening has its benefits. Yesterday I was at work, and when I came home to check on my plants, I started noticing a really strong smell of pee. My stars. My plants looked like they had a dog pee on them or something, but it was strange because we don't have a dog. Your husband is a dog. Nor does the neighbor have dogs. I went inside the house and asked my husband to scout the smell of pee. He nonchalantly said that the toilet was clogged, but didn't have time to get it fixed. Then he needed to pee, so he rushed to the backyard and did it.
Oh my God.
I was shocked. I blew up saying he peed on my plants, but he said he wasn't paying attention to where he was peeing because he really needed to go. I unloaded on him and said I put money, time, effort to take care of my plants, and now they smelled like pee and are probably damaged. He lashed back, saying it was not a huge deal for me to blow up like that, and accused me of wanting him sick from holding it. Sick from holding it in rather than getting my precious plants wet. I felt disgusted. I couldn't even come near him. He left in the evening to see his dad and to get him involved in the argument. His dad told me to let it go and that I really overreacted because the plants were okay. But I really felt the disrespect with what he did. Okay, I know I started this off saying that he is the asshole. That's because I thought the plants were inside. They were outside. I kind of think maybe you were the asshole. Pee doesn't ruin plants. Dogs do it all the time. And a good rain will wash it away. My dad used to call it watering the plants. I don't know. Maybe you guys need to weigh in on this. I actually don't think that the husband is the asshole. I kind of think the wife might be. This story is weird, yeah. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. All right, till next time.